Hi, welcome to the Akuvox Technical Channel. This video introduces how to deploy devices for the self-organizing network solution on the SmartPlus cloud using the AK Partner Installer app. The solution is designed for community projects, enabling basic calling, unlocking, and monitoring even without internet access. Once devices connect to the internet, they can be integrated into the SmartPlus cloud using the AK Partner app, allowing residents to register SmartPlus app accounts by themselves. This video focuses on the cloud configuration. For on-premise setup details, please refer to the video called Self-Organizing Network Solution for Community Projects. In this demonstration, the R28 is installed at the community gate, while the R20A and C313W indoor monitor are utilized within an apartment. Please note that only certain models with specific firmware versions support the features demonstrated in this video. For detailed model information, check the video introduction. This video covers 3 parts: configuring indoor monitors and door phones in residents' apartments, setting up door phones in public areas like the community entrance, and demonstrating how end users register their SmartPlus app accounts. Let's get started. After completing the on-premise settings of the indoor monitor and establishing an internet connection, a QR code will display. If you skip the step or the device has no internet, find later the QR code on the More, Settings, Advance, Quick Start screen when internet connectivity is available. The default password to access the advanced settings is 123,456. Tap QR code. Next, open the AK Partner app and tap Community Quick Start on the homepage. Scan the QR code on the indoor monitor. Here you can see that the device's MAC address and location information are automatically filled in. You can change the family name. Then, select the community where the device is installed before clicking Submit. Once the indoor monitor is added to the cloud, all paired devices in the room will be uploaded. Added successfully, tap Add another device to add more. Tap back to return to the homepage. On the R28 door phone, press *2396 hashtag. Then, select Device QR code. Tap Community Quick Start on the AK Partner app and scan the QR code on the door phone. You can change the building number and device name on the app. Then, select the community where the device is installed. Tap Submit. Now, tap the community name where you can see that the R28 door phone is added to the public area and a default building and an apartment are created. You can tap the apartment to view its information and select devices to check the device just added. After deploying the indoor monitor to the cloud, a QR code will display. Residents can scan it to register a SmartPlus account. Tap the scan icon on the app's login page. Scan the code, fill in the information, and tap Submit. It will display registering succeeded. The user's email will receive a welcome email from Akuvox. Scan the QR code in the email to log in successfully. Now, let's see how the features work. Call the resident from the door phone. The indoor monitor and SmartPlus app receive the call. Answer the call and tap Open Door to unlock successfully. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. We'll make more technical videos to help you set up Akuvox products and solutions. Thanks for watching.